Got another fall project for you. It's a candy corn bunting. You can find this on my in my Etsy shop. It's Harper & Co. Designs. I'll leave a link below. It's Harper, the letter N, and the letter C-O, which is representative of my children. The file will cut out 2 of these, but you can cut as many as you like if you want to string a banner of them up, like say across the mantle. Cut out of just some 65-pound cardstock. Solid colors, but you can use prints if you like. There's a little bit of craft roll tape. Just simply line this up. And then we do the yellow, which I may or may not have done the right direction here. And then you can just string some cord through here. You can string a bunch of them together and you can run a whole banner of bunting together. That's the second one. Should be even, but I'm trying to learn to look around the camera while I do this. There you go, your candy corn banner.